Very good morning, all. Welcome back to the income tax classes. So, previously we discussed another two methods. One is mercantile system, second one is cash system. So, mercantile system, in some cases they asked in the exam, but cash system is very important. See, this problem is given on the basis of cash system. See, debit side receipts, credit side expenses. So if this type of questions asked, it is must and should we need to consider it is a cash system, right? If in case expenses they given debit side and incomes given credit side, that is mercantile system. That is very important system to we need to understand. See, here is the question. Mr. Kishore lives in Bangalore. He is a lawyer and he gives you the following receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st 3 2019. See, receipts, opening balance is given. Opening balance in mercantile system we will consider, but in cash system we will not consider. To salary as a part-time lecturer. See, he is a advocate, no? See, he is a lawyer. So lecture in the sense it's not a professional income. So he is advocate. If in case any consultation fees like that he received, that is his profession because he is a lawyer. But he is a part-time lecturer, that will not consider as a professional income. So that we will not consider. Next, fees received, that is consultation fees, no? Consultation fees is received. So that is 2,20,000. That is professional income. Next, interest on bank deposit, that is not a professional income. Next, exam remuneration from university, that is also not a professional income. Next, cash received on car sold, so that is also not a professional income. Next, shares sold, that is also not professional income. To dividend received, that is also not professional income. See, next, expenses side, by books purchased within a bracket annual publication 1 lakh. Books purchase 1000. So 1000 is gave. So 1000 annual publication in the sense 100% depreciation we need to consider. Next, repairs of house 1200. So repairs of house, any adjustments will given. We will see next. Car expenses, there is also professional. Local taxes, if in case any adjustment will give, we will see the next. Next, office expenses, that is the professional expenses. Next, personal, that we will not consider. Why? Because personal is not a professional, no? Yes. Next, purchase of plant. So purchase of plant, nothing but it's a 15% depreciation we need to give. Next, car purchase, that is also 15% depreciation we need to give. Next, life insurance premium we will not consider. Why? Because it's not a professional. Next, donation, it is also we will not consider. Next, gifts to daughter, that is also is personal, we will not consider. Next, income tax paid, that is also we will not consider. Next, income tax appeal expenses, this will consider. Why? Because any expenses regarding income tax payment, that is admissible, no, we will consider here. Next, bank deposit we will not consider. Next, PPF, public provident fund, that is also we will not consider. Next, balance carry forward we will not consider anyway. Are you getting? Only we will consider books, repair of house, car expenses, local taxes, office expenses, purchase of plant, car purchased, income tax, appeal expenses. See, some adjustment is gave. See that adjustments. Adjustments, 1/3 part of building is used for profession and 2/3 for self-resident. Only used 1/3 for his profession. Remaining 2/3 for his personal. We will consider. See, repairs of house only we need to consider 1/3. Next, local taxes, only local tax nothing but municipal tax and all we need to consider, no, 1/3 we will consider. Remaining 2/3 is personal, no. Yes. Next, the car is used for professional and personal work equally. So nothing but, so for personal equally and for professional equally. So only 1/2 we need to consider if in case of car. See how much is car? car expenses 1800, only we need to consider 1 by 2. See, next car purchased, only we need to consider 1 by 2 depreciation. Why? Because he used profession and personal equally. Next, books purchased for teaching 300 and remaining for profession. See, out of 1000 he purchased. See, out of 1000, 300 used for profession. Only we need to calculate depreciation on 700. Are you getting? This 300 is personal. As a guest lecturer, he purchased some books, that is personal. No, only we need to consider depreciation on this 700. Only that 3 adjustments is given in the question. Next is the solution. Computation of taxable income for profession of Mr. Kishore for the assessment year 1920. Fees professional received, only fees received is given 2,20,000. Next, books purchased. See, books purchased 1000 minus 300, 700 only he considered. Next, repairs of house 1200 into 1 by 3. Why 1 by 3? So only 1 by 3 is professional. No. Next, car expenses 1800 into 1 by 2. Car expenses used equally nothing but 1 by 2 personal, 1 by 2 professional. Next, local taxes 1300 into 1 by 3. Only building 1 by 3 is used for profession. Next, office expenses 3000. Depreciation and plant 1000 into 15% in 15%, 150. Next, depreciation on car 20,000 into 15% into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 nothing but he used 1 by 2 for profession, 1500. Next, income tax appeal expenses 300. So 2,20,000 minus taxable professional gain 2,12,650. If you deduct all the expenses, you will get 2,12,650. Any doubt in this question? Actually, one mistake is happened here. See, books purchase we will not consider. See, only we will consider depreciation. No, depreciation 700 into 100%. So anyway, same we will get 700 into 100% but 700 only. So only depreciation we will consider. Books purchase we will not consider because it is a capital in nature. No, depreciation on books. Depreciation books 700 into 100% 700. 2,20,000 is total fees received. So these are the expenses. If you total all the expenses, you will get 7,350. Your taxable professional gain is 2,12,650. Any doubts in this question? No, right? For this, your 4th chapter, business income from business or profession, will almost come to an end. From next class onwards, we will start our new chapter. Okay, so this is your last problem in the chapter. I gave 2 assignment problems, so kindly solve that problems. Okay.